Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open the pixel lab, select a shape, remove the background color, select another photo, to back the photo, select the opacity, effect shadow enable button on, adjust the photo, duplicate the bottle, select the color filter, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.